Hey guys, film the Canadian Outdoors Enthusiast channel. Got myself a new 10 gauge. The size of these bad boys. Supposedly they kick like a mule, so let's find out what they do. These are Federal 10 gauge, 3.5 inch, 2 ounce, 4-shot turkey loads. And on the shell, it's giving me a Magnum, 3.5 inch mags. So let's see how much they hurt. So the gun that I'm shooting is a Harrington and Richardson Sportsman long range. It looks like a fucking elephant gun. Pardon my language, I'll have to beep that out. I'll let my brother-in-law try it. Here's my brother-in-law giving the 10 gauge a shot.
I wouldn't be able to shoot that all day.
No, I think that's a gun just to have fun once in a while, or to end your range day, to make people yell how loud it is.
Yeah, that's pretty strong.
Oh. Fucking retarded. Orange. I'm glad I have no shells left. Hey guys, we just shot the first 10 rounds of box of the 3.5 inch Magnum loads. I'm kind of happy there was only 10 shells in that box because she kicks, and she kicks hard. Is it a practical gun? No, not for me. Can I use it? Sure, I'll use it for turkey, but it won't be my to-go shotgun. However, for the price I got it, might as well enjoy it, right? If you have any questions, let us know. Write your comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. Thanks. See you soon.